In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quickly count blank cells with COUNTBLANK in Google Sheets on desktop. If you're cleaning data, checking for missing entries, or preparing a report, knowing exactly how many empty cells you have can be really helpful. Google Sheets gives us a simple built-in function for this: COUNTBLANK. Let's walk through how to use it clearly and confidently. First, click the cell where you want the count to appear. This is the spot where your result will live, so choose a location that makes sense for your sheet, like a summary area at the top or next to your data. Now type the formula: x COUNTBLANK A2 A10. Replace A2 A10 with the range you want to analyze. A range is written as the top left cell, a colon, and the bottom right cell. For example, A2 A10 means start at A2 and include everything down to A10. If you prefer, you can start typing x COUNTBLANK and then drag to select your cells. Google Sheets will fill in the range for you. When you're done, make sure to close the parenthesis. Press Enter. Google Sheets will instantly calculate the result. The cell now displays the number of blank cells in the selected range. This tells you how many cells are truly empty in that area. A quick note on what blank means here. COUNTBLANK treats empty cells as blank, and in Google Sheets, it also treats cells with formulas that return an empty string as blank. However, a cell that contains a space character or any hidden character isn't considered blank, even if it looks empty. If your number doesn't match what you expect, it's often because some cells contain stray spaces or non-printing characters. You can adjust the range in the formula to include more or fewer cells as needed. For a longer column, change it to something like A2 A100. If your data spans multiple columns, you can use a rectangular range such as A2 D10 to scan across several columns at once. You can also narrow it down. For example, B2 B10 if you only care about one column. Using a sensible range helps keep your count accurate and relevant to the part of your sheet you're monitoring. Once set up, the count updates automatically as you add or remove data within that range, so you always have an up-to-date view of how many cells are still blank. That's all there is to it. Pick your result cell, write the COUNTBLANK formula with the right range, press Enter, and adjust the range whenever your dataset changes.